Hariom. Welcome to the Tattva Yoga. Today is a day 6 is Ma Katyayani. Is represent the strength and the victory. Goddess Katyayani, a fierce warrior, form of the goddess who destroyed the demon Mahisasura. She represents strength, determination, and victory over negativity. Today's Sankalpa is all about cultivating our inner strength and the courage to overcome obstacles. Key posture for today is the Veerbhadra Asana 1, the warrior pose 1. This powerful and grounding pose embodied the fierce and protective nature of the warrior goddess. Today's sequence we were doing with the warm-up, Anjaneya Asana, low lunges, and the main practice we are working on the Veerbhadra Asana. Then we're doing the cool down pose, the child pose, and the leg up to the wall pose, Viprit Karni. And then we do the meditation chanting Om Devi Katyayani Namaha 11 times. So before the warm up, first sitting in the Vajrasana. Now slowly inhale, raise up your arm, stretch forward, touching to the floor. Slowly stand on the knees and then the hip up in the mountain pose. Here, hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly lift forward, lifting the right leg between the palms and the knee down. The left one, feet down. We were doing the Anjaneya Asana. So slowly inhale, head up, lifting your chest up and hold for 5 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, put your down forward. Slowly inhale, take your right leg back into the mountain pose. Again, inhale, take your left leg forward between the palms, right knee down and the feet down, pushing your hip forward. And slowly inhale, head up and chest up, hand side of your waist. And here hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, put your hands down, take your left leg back into the mountain pose. And slowly dropping your knees and take a few breaths here in the Vajrasana. So we are doing very quick warm-up session. Then we coming on the main pose is the Veerbhadra Asana. So stand in front of your mat first. You can stand inside of your mat. Take a medium stance gap between the legs. Now slowly inhale, turning your right leg forward. Now exhale, turning your front body forward to the wall. Now slowly inhale, bending your right leg. And so inhale, raise up your arms. And hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, release the hand. Now with the another side, inhale, right leg, left leg into the 90 degree. Now slowly exhale, turning your body to the right side. Now inhale, bending your left leg. Inhale and hold for 5 seconds. Stretch your arms upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, straight your legs, release the hand, turning your legs to the front side and slowly bending. And this is the Veerbhadra Asana A. Now because we're doing the Vajrasana, we have to do the cool down pose. Slowly seated in the Vajrasana. Now raise up your arms and slowly stretch forward, touching to the floor. Stretch as much you can. And sitting on the Balasana. Take your hand back side of your legs
And take a full deep breath, inhale and exhale. Now as you ready, so just inhale, head up and chest up, raise the posture. So we are doing the Viparit Karni also. Viparit Karni is what we have to do. We have to be on the wall side. Just take a gap, lay down on your back and lifting your leg up, and there is a gap between the legs little bit, and here hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly exhale, drop down the legs first, turning on your one side and sit up and sit in any comfortable posture. So this today's session is very quick because we have to only focus on the one pose today, the Virabhadrasana one. After the cool down process, now we have to meditate and chanting Om Devi Katyayani Namaha 11 times. So slowly bringing your palms into the Gyan Mudra, close your eyes, back should be straight, and take a deep breath 2 to 3 times. Inhale and exhale first, and then chant. Om Devi Katyayani Namaha. Om Devi Katyayani Namaha. Om Devi Katyayani Namaha. Om Devi Katyayani Namaha. Om Devi Katyayane 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 Namaha. Sorry, bringing the palms together, rubbing the palms, generate the heat on the palms. Slowly touching to your eyes, your face, and your whole body. Gently open your eyes. So this is the end of our today's sessions of our day 6. We will see you tomorrow. Hari Om Tat Sat.